You are going to love the 2012 Touareg. It is the most technically innovative VW since the brand has been in existence. This Volkswagen Touareg is reinterpreting the fascinating multi-purpose SUV idea in a contemporary way, thanks to a range of engines that are nearly 20% more fuel efficient and a large variety of new assistance and safety systems, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the